Understanding linear equations, a simple guide. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to explore the world of linear equations, a fundamental concept in mathematics and an essential tool in various fields. Whether you're a student, a professional, or just curious about math, understanding linear equations is incredibly valuable. So, let's dive in and demystify this topic together. A linear equation is a mathematical statement that shows the relationship between two variables, typically x and y, in the form of a straight line when plotted on a graph. The general form of a linear equation is y equals mx plus b. Here, m represents the slope of the line, and b is the y-intercept, the point where the line crosses the y-axis. Slope m. The slope m is a measure of the steepness of the line. It's calculated as the rise over the run, change in y over the change in x. A positive slope means the line goes upwards, while a negative slope indicates it goes downwards. Y-intercept b. The y-intercept b is the point where the line crosses the y-axis. It indicates the value of y when x is 0. Solving a linear equation involves finding the values of x and y that make the equation true. This can be done by 1. Substituting a known value of one variable to find the other. 2. Graphing the equation and identifying points on the line. Let's look at a few examples. 1. Y equals 2x plus 3. This equation has a slope of 2 and a y-intercept of 3. 2. Y equals x plus 1. Here, the slope is minus 1, and the y-intercept is 1. Linear equations are used in a variety of fields such as physics, economics, engineering, and even in everyday life. They help in predicting outcomes, understanding relationships between variables, and in solving real-world problems. I hope this video has helped you understand what linear equations are and how they work. Remember, mathematics is not just about numbers. It's a language that helps us describe and understand the world around us. Keep practicing, stay curious, and you'll see how useful and interesting math can be. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next lesson.